Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
This module, we will learn more about operations on sets. Now let's see what are disjoint sets. If A and B are two sets such that A intersection B is equal to phi, then A and B are called disjoint sets. For example, let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Then A and B are disjoint sets because there are no elements which are common to A and B. The disjoint sets can be represented by means of Venn diagram as shown in the figure. In the above diagram, A and B are disjoint sets. Next operation on sets we will learn is difference of sets. The difference of the sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. Symbolically, we write and read as A minus B. Let's understand this concept with the help of an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. Solution. We have A minus B is equal to 1, 3, 5. Since the elements 1, 3, 5 belong to A but not to B and B minus A is equal to 8. Since the element 8 belongs to B and not to A, we note that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Let's take one more example. Let V is equal to A, E, I, O, U and B is equal to A, I, K, U. Find V minus B and B minus V. Solution. We have V minus B is equal to E, O. Since the elements E, O belong to V but not to B, and B minus V is equal to K. Since the element K belongs to B but not to V, we note that V minus B not equal to B minus V. Using the set builder notation, we can rewrite the definition of difference as A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. The difference of two sets A and B can be represented by Venn diagram as shown in the figure. The shaded portion represents the difference of the two sets A and B.